Alright guys, welcome back to my channel CS Academy, and today I'm just going to start a tutorial series for Python pygame, in which we would develop a lot of games, we would do a lot of projects, you would get a lot of experience. So how to start it? We are going to use Python as our language. To do that, just open your browser and open python.org. First of all, what you need to do is just to install Python on your computer. Okay, there, downloads, and you would see Python 3.8.1. This is the latest version for the Python. You can download it and install into your computer. Then the second thing that you are needed is an IDE. The IDE that I'm using there for my tutorial series is pycharm. Pycharm is the most used IDE for the Python to nowadays, because it's a lot responsive and more comfortable for the beginners and also for the professionals. Pycharm download. There you go. It's been the official website for the Pycharm, and you can download community version, and you can also download free professional version. Even for a trial period it would be of 1 month. So community version we are being getting, it's free for beginners and open source. So we are downloading these two, and downloading that it would be automatically started, and I also already have, so I'm not downloading it. So when you would download it and install it, then you would come in a environment like this. So after installing Python and Pycharm, you have been entered in an environment which is named as Pycharm's welcome window. So what you need to do is just to create a new project and name your project as anything that you want, anything. So ABC, anything. Okay, then create. Okay, then after you would create your project, you need to create a new file. Nothing here. So first of all, I also have a project, so I'm just going to use my scratch. So now I am going to again create new project. Let's have a look at Python file. Python files mean my tutorial or anything else, whatever you want. So here let's check our IDE, is it working or not. Just type print hello world. Is it working or not? Let's have a look. There you go. Hello world has been printed on the console, so it's been working. The next step you have to do is just to open the terminal, or if you don't want to open the terminal, then go to command prompt. Just type cmd command prompt has been opened. Just type here pip install pygame. Okay, type as it is, no misspell should be, anything should not be misspelled. So pip install pygame, press enter. It's being the command to install the pygame in Python. So it's been waiting, and you must have an internet connection to do this. So requirements already satisfied means there is a path where is being installed. So my pycharm, python and pygame, everything is been installed and ready to go. So you also have to install all of these three things, then we would continue our tutorial series. So see you in the next lecture. Goodbye.